Hello traders, this is 4X Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is March the 17th. I'm using my new 4X-SCALPER trading system. This system uses this scalper indicator right here. Changes from red to blue. Also has these arrows. They're called the super signal indicator. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box right here suggesting to buy and or sell. Now today's date is March the 17th, and I did 7 trades, as you can see here. Took them all between after 8 a.m. this morning here, closed them all out around the same time, 9:40 approximately, and I'm not even 10 o'clock, as I am now done trading for the day. Now every morning, approximately 6 a.m., where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments. And of course I'm looking at my daily trade plan, and after I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. So we can take a look at that daily trade plan. Here it is here. It's running in real time, analyzing all the charts from the monthly right down to the 30 minutes. After it does some calculations, it'll say within the comments here, look for bearish trades, bullish trades, and some will be preferred. And of course, if you're trading with no daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are still struggling. You must have a daily trade plan. Now you can adjust the settings on this daily trade plan to suit the type of trader that you are, either a scalper or day trader. I'm a day trader. Or if you're a swing trader or a position trader. You just play with the settings, not that difficult to do. I've adjusted it over the past few years, fine-tuned it so that it works more efficiently to suit my trading style. Now, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. And now let's check out these trades I've taken. Was not trading very long, a little around an hour or so. But anyhow, the first one I did was this Euro New Zealand, so we're just going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now the first 3 right here, the 4X pairs, I sold them, and the futures, the indexes, I bought those. So here's the arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. It was a no-brainer. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn all the secrets how to trade the market successfully. And that's exactly what I teach. Please keep in mind, as I keep producing systems, every time I produce another system, it's always a little bit better than the one before. So in other words, systems I made 2, 3, 4 years ago, although they're still good, but the ones I made after that are even better. And that is why you have to continue your education if you ever wish to succeed at trading. All I do is, and traders ask me, by the way, what's the difference between one system and another? Well, I'll change an indicator on the top, another indicator down at the bottom. That changes the rules and how to trade the system. And that just makes it a little bit better trading system. So let's see now. sold this one, took the trade right here at this cursor, and I closed it out here just being happy with about 20 pips, and that paid out $121. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Another one I sold, so we're just going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan did qualify for a great way to trade. It's another way that I trade the markets. I call it a great way to trade. Very, very high success rate. And I knew at any point after 6 o'clock in the morning, the market was going to go down, and down it went. Got the arrow, super signal arrow, so I just pulled the trigger here. I closed it out here just being happy, looks like with about 25 pips, and that paid out $181. Okay, moving on to the next trade I did, the Euro CAD. Let's run a check on that. Here we go. We're just going to drag and drop this up. This one I sold it. And once it cleared the goal line, a lot of things were telling me, top and bottom, whether it's the daily trade plan, super signal, the scalper. Well, I knew it was going to go down, and down it went. Looks like I locked in about 30 pips, and that paid out $209. Okay, moving right along to the futures and the indexes. They move a lot more, they pay a lot more, as you can clearly see. Okay, first one, S&P 500. Let's drag and drop this up. Now this one I bought, daily trade plan. Lots of things here saying it's going to go up, and when I took the trade in real time, did qualify for a great way to trade. There's the super signal arrow. Well, away it went after a bit of a pullback, which didn't bother me. Now it does pay $5 for each tick, so took the money divided by 5. Calculator says it's approximately 192. So now we're going to go and look for those 192. That's as close as I'm going to be able to get to show you. But it's approximately 192, and that paid out all those ticks $962. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Right here at this cursor, everything was perfect, looking very good. For buying, of course, arrow from the super signal daily trade plan. Now, this Dow Jones is the same as the S&P 500, pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money divided by 5. Calculator says it's 214. So got in at this cursor right here. Daily trade plan arrow, as you can see. Took the trade at this point. We're looking for 214. Here we go, 214 right there. And all of those ticks paid out $1,070. Another great tool I recommend you get your hands on. It's called the FibMaster tool. Once you get it, you just click on this tab right here. You would go from swing low to swing high. There's your pullback. As a general rule, if it hits the entries and then starts to hook around, it'll usually hit at least minimum target 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at that. Today, it actually hit target 10. So that is pretty good. It looks like it's doing a pullback rate at this point in time. If you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. And of course, if you want to get some more information, you can also look right below this video. It's a complete full course, over 3 gigabytes. I believe there's 30 training videos. You would get the this tool. Anyhow, moving on to the next trade I did, which is Russell. Let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in first of all. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, easy to see it should be 151. So from there to there should be 151. I knew in advance prior to the opening bell, this is the opening bell for the futures, I knew prior to that it was going to go up. That's why I love my system. Works like magic. So 151 we're looking for. There it is right there, 151 ticks paying out $1,510. I can show you that fib tool again. It works great. It just goes swing low, swing high. There's your pullback, hit entry number 2. And again, today, looks like it hit target number 10. So everything above 5, oh, that's all just a bonus. And if it wasn't for the opening bell here, well, who knows how much you would have really received. Again, if you have any questions regarding this FibMaster tool, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, moving on to the last trade, DAX 30. Love trading the DAX 30. Now it only pays $3.75 for each tick, but as you can see within this blue box, first of all, let's DAX 30. Within this blue box, right here, there's a number. So from the bottom of the box to the top is 1,670. So you can see that the DAX 30 moves a lot. And that's not even including the London box here. That's this box here. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now I did drop it down to the 5 minutes because it's very difficult to get a reading on it. And by the way, this bigger blue candle right here, that's the opening bell. So what I did was I took the money divided by 3.75. Calculator says it's approximately 870. So let's see if I can get as close as possible to that 870. 868, that's about as close as I'm going to be able to show. 870, and all of those ticks paid out $3,262. So another great day of trading using my 4X-SCALPER trading system. And please keep in mind that you must continue your education every 2 or 3 months until you find success. Only mistake I made over the 20 years, I used to buy more education every week. I don't recommend that, but every 2 or 3 months you must continue your education or you're never ever going to find success at trading. So now, of course, if you have a few questions regarding what I just said there, well, just get in contact with me. Now, I added up all the pips and the ticks and the grand total, mainly because of the DAX 30. It came to 1,502. And all of those pips and ticks, as you can see, paid out $7,317. Now, if you have any questions, quite simple, just get in contact with me. That's very easy to do. All you got to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me, as a lot of traders do that. I do answer the phone, unless I'm busy, of course. Now, if you live too far, well, you can send me an email. But just to let you know, I really do prefer Skype or something where we can talk for free and, do screen sharing. Now, it can be Zoom and or Teams. So, no matter what, But like I said, as of today, I prefer Skype. I made a link. All you got to do is click on the link. We'll have a Skype connection. And through Skype, I should be able to answer most of your questions. Also in the description, you'll find 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. Have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. And of course, I have other special offers. All you got to do is get on my email list, and I can show you different packages where you're getting a 50% discount. So just get on my email list. In other words, get in contact with me and then just give me your email address. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.